how to tag someone on a Facebook post and photos. So the first thing you have to do, you want to go to your home page, then click what's on your mind, and there is two types of tagging. The first is tagging in the post, and second is tagging in the photos. The first one, if you want to tag someone on the post, you want to select tag people, and select the friends you want to tag with, and click done. And there you go. At the upper, that someone is tagging with you in the post. And the second one, if you want to tag someone in the photos, you want to choose photo and video, and choose the photo you want to tag with. Check done, and you want to click the photo, and tap this add sign here at the top, and tap the picture, then tag the people. You can tag as many as you like. And after you're done, you click done on the upper right corner. Then click next and post. And there you go. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.